Today, can you say something about yourself?
Good day, ma'am. I'm Rowena E. Amar, 36 years old, 5'2" in height, married with one son, age 1 year and 2 months. Currently residing at Carabanan, Himabaylan City, Negros Occidental.
Tell me about your working experience.
I work as a domestic helper in Singapore to Madam Cuajo Bin Cecilia for 5 years, September 2008 up to November 2013.
Okay, what are your duties and responsibilities in the house?
My duties and responsibilities as housemaid is to manage all the household chores by marketing, cooking, washing, and ironing clothes.
Okay, why did you choose to work in Hong Kong?
Because I believe that working in Hong Kong is a nice place to work with and a higher salary so that I can support my family.
Okay, how will you win the trust of your future employer?
I can win my employer's trust by being honest and matured enough to handle the tasks that he or she will given to me.
Okay, are you willing to take good care on your newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am, because I'm a mother. I know how to feed the baby formula 3 to 4 hours by feeding, taking a bath, cleaning the baby's bottle.
Okay, how about elderly or a bedridden person? Are you willing to take care?
Yes, ma'am. Because
Okay.
I have a grandmother too, I help her to take the medicine on time.
Okay, most of the employers speak Cantonese. Are you willing to learn their language?
Yes, ma'am, because I believe that learning their language can fully understand each other.
Okay, do you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am, I know how to cook Filipino food, tinola, adobo. I learned also my 5 years experience in Singapore, steamed fish, chicken curry, noodles like ho fan, chow fan.
Okay, can you operate electrical appliances?
Yes, ma'am. Vacuum cleaner, washing machine, oven toaster.
Okay, your duties in Hong Kong will be doing all the household chores and at the same time taking good care of the whole family. So, how could you handle this kind of situation?
I will handle with smile, doing all my responsibilities as a matured domestic helper.
Okay, in case you found something like money inside the pocket while washing your employer's clothes or you found jewelry while cleaning the house, what will you do?
I will give it back urgently.
Okay, is it okay with you if your day off is during weekdays?
Yes, ma'am.
What if during your day off, then your employers ask you not to take your day off because there's something important to do, so what will you do?
I will follow what my employer's instruction to me.
Okay, would you like to say something to your future employer?
To my prospective employer in Hong Kong, if you choose me to be your housemaid, I believe that I am matured enough to handle the task that you will given to me, and I will finish my contract, 2-year contract with you, ma'am.
Okay, are you willing to extend if they will ask?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.